Up to now, we worked on marketing research design, identifying the right drivers to create proper research questions, setting up the right methodology for the collection of primary data, and developing an effective and efficient questionnaire. In the beginning of the second part of our course, our focus shifts to analysis of our data and synthesis of conclusions that guide decision making. For many, this part feels rather geeky. There are many techniques to choose from, and there is a need to ensure that these techniques are applied properly. Thankfully, there are really good guidelines for the selection of proper techniques and great software that will apply them, without the requirements of being statistics experts. Still, considerable attention and care are needed to do both. One important step is ensuring that our collected data are clean. Some of the questions asked will be returned without responses or with inappropriate responses. It is a duty of the researcher to utilize data that are valid and complete in order to avoid wrong conclusions. Remember that in inferential statistics, everything is relative. For example, when we conclude using the right test that the mean of two samples are equal, we don't mean that they are exactly equal. Rather, we should understand that their values are close enough for the purpose of their use, they are equal enough. When we run a regression to identify a relationship between two variables, we will surely get such a relationship, but how dependable it is will be defined by the value of a statistical metric, such as R2. So what the marketing researcher has to always be knowledgeable about are the accepted industry practices for the expected reliability of statistical tests. For example, if we do research on buying behaviors, perhaps 95% confidence interval for a regression or equality of means test is sufficient. On the other hand, if we test the productivity of two very expensive machines, we may require a confidence interval of 99% because even a small inaccuracy may lead to substantially detrimental financial results. So while you pay attention to the selection and implementation of proper tests and procedures, always remember to do so within the context of the consequences of their applications.